Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use Copilot AI in Microsoft Bing on computer. So how to use Copilot AI in Microsoft Bing on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing via a browser on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. To use Copilot AI in Microsoft Bing, just point the cursor to the top of the menu bar. Tap the Copilot line icon here. We'll enter Copilot AI. Well, here it is already on the Copilot. Well, for example, I will look for information about CNC. Type the question here. Next, tap the arrow or send this. Well, here the results of what we ask will appear. Complete information from CNC. Next, for example, I will ask for a picture or more complete information. Type and send. Well, here it will appear and will be given a link. Tap one of the links. Well, here we'll enter the website about CNC. So Copilot in Microsoft Bing is an AI assistant that helps search for information, summarize text, write, create images, and provide code suggestions. So that's it, the tutorial how to use Copilot AI in Microsoft Bing on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.